Hi guys, welcome back. Let's go inside and take a look at what we missed out on. First up is Makita. Love Makita. I follow a lot of the tool review channels. Makita is always in the top 3 to 5 in a lot of testing. You can't go wrong with this. Don't be like me, be smart. Buy this. You'll never have to look back. Okay, here's a nice kit. 2 free tools with that $399 kit. 1 free tool with the other one. That's a good deal for those batteries. Here are the free tools. Stuff you'll need, guys. You'll need this stuff if you decide to do a lot of work by yourself. Trust me, great investment. Can't go wrong. Spend the money. Milwaukee will be featured a lot more this time around. Okay, this is why I'm cheap. Okay, $599 for that combo kit, 2 free tools. The other is $399, just like the Makita set, but only 1 free tool. So I'm cheap out of spite because of stuff like this. Great brand, tests really high, but again, you have to pay so much more just for the name, and I don't like it. I am interested in their subcompact impact drill, though. Really like that, and I really need it. So who's out there we'll talk? Oh, Husky. Yeah, Husky. Why not? Okay. 16-piece ratcheting wrench set. Price. I don't like the price, but I'm sure it's fair. Husky again. You guys know I like Husky, but I didn't plan this. I didn't plan it. Trust me on that. 3-piece ratchet set. Mechanics. I think you'll love this. $49.88. Very good deal. We're showing Milwaukee a lot more love this time around. Okay, we have this 56-piece standard socket set. Has a ratchet with it. Got a 25-piece standard socket set. Comes with a ratchet as well. Okay, that's a quarter. The other one is a 3/8. $99 for the 3/8. $49 for the quarter. Let's not forget about Stanley. I recently bought a Stanley tape measure, 25 feet, for $6 and some change. This one is over 7. Power lock, still a good deal. Stanley chisels, don't use chisels too much, but I would rather have them and not need them than need them and not have them. Husky again, okay. They should open up their own store. All right, have a deep socket set. You know, a while back, I ordered a deep socket set from EP Auto. They gave me 2 12 millimeters. Didn't like that at all. The ones I ordered were $22. I guess you get what you pay for. Okay, Home Depot, this dust is really bothering me. I had a viewer get on me about it last time. Do something about it. $29.88 for this 28-piece combination wrench set. Ladies, you're dating a guy, but you're not too sure about him. You want to get him something, but you don't want to spend too much money. Get him the tool that is considered the middle child of all tools. Something like this, $9.97, hex keys, can't go wrong. Gentlemen, you have too much stuff around the house, too many screws, nuts, washers. Your wives are getting upset. They're throwing your stuff out of the house when you leave, and you think stuff is coming up missing, but it's not. It's just been thrown out. Too much stuff. Get an organizer. Okay, this one here is $24.97. Okay, that's an okay price. For your bigger stuff, get this drawer toolbox. I'm not a fan of the price, but at least your stuff won't be thrown out. Milwaukee is built to last. Great quality, higher prices. Again, you guys know I'm cheap. All right, we have the 7-inch torpedo level. Milwaukee, $29.97. It'll probably last a lifetime. 24-inch magnetic I-beam level. Again, Milwaukee, same price, right? Yep, $29.97. I'll say this, can't go wrong. Still on the Milwaukee train, 120-piece impact duty set, $230 value. These are very good bits. They'll last a lifetime. $29.88. Go ahead and pick them up. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I'm cheap. I don't encourage you to do that, especially if you're starting off, because you'll buy stuff of low quality. It'll break, wear out, die out, burn out, whatever. And then you have to go back to the store and buy more stuff. So you're actually spending more. So being cheap has its consequences. Where's the stuff at? Where's the stuff? Here go the gloves, Milwaukee, $9.88. Not interested in those, but the good stuff. Okay, framing hammer, that's here. Where's the tape measure, angle square? This is a great utility knife. Where's this stuff at? It's ridiculous. Search and rescue is over. Home Depot, you have to do a better job with your displays. Maybe it's just this Home Depot. Milwaukee, Husky, get on these guys. $19.97, buy 3, save 10, buy 5, save 30. We have the framing hammer, 2-pack tape measure. Folks, guys and gals, pick this up. This is essential. You will need this, I guarantee it. As I move up my DIY ranking, eventually I'll get something like this. I vow to do the floors in my house. $169 for this brad nailer. What do we have here? Okay, framing nailer. We have $159 from Ridgid. New DIYers, homeowners, get something like this. Ridgid brushless combo kit, subcompact drill impact driver, $149. Comes with 2 amp hour batteries, bag charger, free 4 amp hour battery. This is better than what I have. I like this. Good deal. If you guys got neighbors, well, neighbors you like at least, get them something like this. So much they can do with them. Take out the trash, work on their cars, lawn and garden, stuff like that. This is great. I got a lot of these gloves, so pick them up. Very cheap. Great deal. Got the anvil step stool. Get this for your grandparents. Safety. They can still reach and get their soup. Stay low to the ground. $14.88. Pay close attention, guys. $29.88 for this 28-piece reciprocating blade set. Oscillating blade set. Same price. $91 value. Okay. $105 value for the blade set here. Needed this the other day when I was repairing my sagging wood steps. It's almost gone. Get it while it lasts. Some of you guys like to mount your TVs. It's getting ridiculous too. You have one in every room, even in the bathroom. To each his own though. This is something that you need. Stud finder, $19.97. Comes with a level. If you're going to do the job the right way. Could have used something like this when I was repairing my sagging wood steps. Had a lot of strip screws. Might have made the job a lot easier, faster. I'll take a wait and see approach on this. Don't know the price, but keep this in mind. Young ladies, you want to get your dad something for Christmas, but you don't want to spend too much of your allowance money. Get the 18-piece continuous screwdriver set from Husky, $11.97. He can use it to tighten up the door handles around the house. As a reminder, don't forget about the ultimate dad gift. We have the Husky 270-piece mechanic tool set for $99, $695 value. Ladies, you're engaged. You want to assure him that you're in it for the long haul. Get the Ryobi combo kit for $199. Got a cousin that always buys you something for Christmas and you don't want to be Scrooge? Get the battery daddy. You know they're into gadgets, so you know they have plenty batteries. This says that you care and that you were really thinking about them. I think you should get this for yourself. $14.87 for those batteries. The battery daddy is $14.98. Good deal. Got a blade value pack from Diablo, $12.88. Also the spade bit set. Your choice. Good deal. Like the price. Pick it up. I think this will be gone soon. Told you before, you get a flat tire, no one is coming to save you. Nobody. Get this inflator. It's from Husky. You don't want the other things you need, fine. $29.88, great price. Believe it or not, this will be useful to you one day. 14-piece magnetic screwdriver set, Husky, $14.88. Buy a cheap tool bag to store them in. We all have that crazy uncle this was made for. Gerber, multi-tool. What else do we have here? Knife with a beanie. He might turn this into a ski mask. You know, you could end up being an accessory to something. I'm not saying this isn't a good gift, but keep that in mind. He might do something with it. Oh yeah, machete. Yep. You'll be in court about this real soon. To the wives out there who are upset with their husbands and don't want to spend a lot on them because they haven't been doing repairs around the house, get them this. Very cheap, $5.88, and it should remind them that they have a lot of work to do. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.